Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data and power so reset won't cost you irreplaceable files. First, backup photos, contacts, and app data to the cloud or to a computer. Once done, confirm backups are complete. Next, plug the phone into power or ensure battery is above 50% so the reset won't fail mid-process. Finally, remove the SIM and micro SD if you want to preserve them. This prevents accidental formatting or carrier-related reactivation issues. Now perform the actual reset following the safest path for your device. If phone is responsive, go to Settings, System, Reset Options and choose Factory Data Reset. Confirm your choice and wait. If unresponsive or locked, power off, then use the correct hardware key combo to enter recovery mode and select Wipe Data/Factory Reset. This is slower but bypasses some software issues. Also, make sure you've signed out of accounts or removed device protection to prevent activation locks when the phone restarts. Complete the reset by letting the phone reboot and then running the initial setup. Choose to restore from the backup you made so apps and settings return. If the phone becomes stuck in a boot loop, power down and re-enter recovery mode to wipe the cache partition before trying a full reset again. If you encounter activation locks, repeated hardware errors, or the device won't accept your backup, contact the manufacturer or carrier support. This resolves account-related blocks and detects hardware faults you can't fix at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.